Hey everyone, Kerry Taylor here, inventor of Drain IV. One of the biggest advantages of our Platinum Drain IV system is full programmability. Whether you're protecting a 1-ton residential unit or a 50-ton commercial rooftop, you dial in exactly what the job needs, no more guessing. You control two simple things: the dose, how many ounces per shot, from 1 to 32 ounces in 1 ounce steps, and the frequency, how often it dispenses, from 1 to 23 hours or 1 to 30 days. Programming is simple. To set the dose, press the dose button, use the plus or minus buttons, and when you're happy, hit set, done. To set the frequency, press the frequency button, plus or minus to adjust, hit set, and that's it. Factory default is 1 ounce every 2 days, perfect for any system up to 5 tons. With the standard 1-gallon bag, that gives you a full 6 months of protection plus 1 month buffer, so you're never caught short at a service call. Need more capacity? We offer 2.5-gallon and 5-gallon bags for our larger systems. If you change the programming, check our commercial settings bulletin and FAQ page. We've already laid out the recommended dosages for everything from 7.5 ton all the way up to big rooftop units. That's the power of Platinum. Total control, zero complexity. Precise protection for every job, every time. Thanks for watching. Now go put some systems on autopilot.